Hello students, today our mathematics classes of class 9th topic is Heron's formula and the exercise 12.2, that is the question number 1 is a park in the shape of quadrilateral ABCD, angle C is 90 degree, AB is equal to 9 meter, BC is equal to 12 meter and CD is equal to 5 meter and AD is equal to 8 meter, then how much area does it occupy? Now the in solution, that is, first of all we draw the figure, that is quadrilateral ABCD. Take that is AB is equal to 9 centimeter, BC 12 centimeter. So first we have to take BC. Now take BC, that is 12 centimeter, 12 meter, sorry, and at C angle is 90 degree, so we have to draw at C, this one is 90 degree, AB is equal to 9 centimeter and BC is equal to 12 centimeter, AB that is 9 centimeter and CD is 5 centimeter. Now take D, that is CD 5 centimeter, AB 9 centimeter, sorry 9 centimeter, 9 meter, AB is 9 meter, here that is meter, and AD 8, take this AD, that is 8 meter. In figure angle BCD is 90 degree, so join BD. This is the diagonal of this triangle, this quadrilateral, the diagonal is BD, and we have to find first what is the value of BD. So in this is right angle triangle, so in right triangle BCD by Pythagoras theorem, that is H square is equal to B square plus P square. Now H is equal to BD, that is B square मतलब BC and P मतलब that is CD. BD square is equal to 12 meter, यानी 12 square plus 5 square. So BD square is equal to 144 plus 25. BD square is equal to 169. So BD is equal to 13 meter. Now this one is 13. So first of all we have to find the area of this triangle. Now that is area of triangle ABD, that is ABD is equal to square root S into S minus AB in bracket S minus AD and here S minus BD. Now first of all we have to find S, that is since 2S is equal to AB plus AD plus BD. So 2S is equal to 9 plus 8 plus 13, that is 2S is equal to 9 at 17 plus 13, that is 30. So S is equal to 30 upon 2, that is 15 meter. Now this put in the given formula. So area of triangle ABD is equal to square root S, that is 15, S minus AB 9, again 15 minus AD, that is 8, and 15 minus BD, that is 13. So here square root 15 into 15 minus 9, that is 6, into 15 minus 8, that is 7, into 15 minus this, that is 2. Now we have to write this 3 into 5 into 3 into 2 into 7 into 2. So this one is take 2, 3, that is take 1, 2 into 2, we have to let 2 into 3 root over 7 5 ja 35, and this is implies that 6 square root में 35 meter square. Now again find this area of this triangle. This is the right triangle, so the area is 1 by 2 base into height. Now take this one. Again area of triangle BCD, that is equal to 1 by 2 BC into CD. Here 1 by 2 BC is equal to 12 and CD is equal to 5, 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja, that is equal to 30 meter square. Now the total area, therefore we take the value of root 35 first of all. Now total area of quadrilateral is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. So this one is 6 root में 35 and plus 30. This is the area of this one, and if we have to find the value of root 35, so we put the value of root 35 and plus 30, the total area is equal to, this is itna meter square. Okay, thank you.